Yeah, it's not cool.
What you smiling about, Kara?
Let's hook up. Here, look at that. It's more important.
Aww.
Fuck you.
You know this is going on YouTube, right?
You're a bitch.
How am I a bitch?
Can you put it up with that on there?
Yeah?
Dude, that's like really freaking blinding. You know that, right?
I'm sorry.
I can't see you, but I kind of couldn't see you before.
There you go.
Ah!
I get to see you. Blind. Bye, YouTube. Lonely Chair Productions. Okay, now bye now.